If you want to remove third-party access from Yahoo Mail, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a great idea if you've connected apps or services to your account in the past and now want to clean things up, improve security, and make sure only the right tools still have access. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through the whole process. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it also tells me to make more videos like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Yahoo Mail, look for your profile icon, usually in the top corner of the page. Click on that profile icon, and from the menu, choose Manage Your Account. This takes you to your Yahoo account settings, where you can control different security and privacy options. On the account page, look for the security section and click it. The security page is where Yahoo keeps important settings related to access, sign-ins, and connected services. If you're trying to see which apps or websites currently have permission to interact with your Yahoo account, this is the right place. Now scroll or look through the security options until you find external connections. This section shows the apps and services that are linked to your Yahoo account. These can include email apps, productivity tools, or other services you may have connected over time. If you no longer use one of these services, or if you simply want to reduce access, this is where you can manage it. Once you open external connections, you'll see a list of connected apps. Take a moment to review this list carefully. It's always a good idea to check which services still need access and which ones you no longer recognize or use. If you see an app that you want to disconnect, click Remove next to that app. After clicking Remove, Yahoo will disconnect that third party from your account. In some cases, you may be asked to confirm the action, so just follow the on-screen prompt if one appears. Once removed, that app should no longer have access to your Yahoo Mail data or account connection. If you have more than one connected app you want to remove, repeat the same process for each one. Go back through the list, check the app names, and remove anything that you no longer want linked to your account. This is a simple but important way to keep your email account more secure and better organized, and that's it. You've now removed third-party access from Yahoo Mail. It's a fast process, but it can make a big difference when it comes to account security and peace of mind. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.